Oh my god.
Surprise!
Hi guys, I'm back. I came from school and I'm a little bit tired. And look,
Hey, honey, you've been talking forever.
yeah, mommy, I don't care.
Hey, you never say that. By the way, I'm gonna pack your sister's bag. She's going to school now. You're already with her. So I don't want to hear about your teacher again. Saying you've been doing bad and naughty things in
don't
the
care.
classroom. Okay?
Yeah, why should I care about that?
You're a naughty boy. You're not getting any candy at all.
But I made a pyramid for you at school, so what should I do with that?
You
Break
didn't even
it?
tell me. By the way, I'm gonna get your sister to school. Come on, honey. Let's go to school now. You can't be scared on your school.
What should I do for now?
Come on.
I can just tell you how.
Let's
I
go.
can just tell you about the pyramids I made. So how I made it, not that anymore. How I made it was 5 marshmallows. Wait, 5 marshmallows and spaghetti. 8 spaghettis.
She forgot
Uh
this milk. So we need her to come back. Why are you saying shush to all the friends and families? By the way, let's go to school again.
School is school.
Yes, but she has nursery, but it's actually school for her first day of school. Oh, you're just begging me to come. Come on.
That's how mommies are.
Well, if you're a kid, you never say that, honey.
That was a little funny. What should we do for now? I was talking about the pyramids and I forgot. So how we made it? 5 marshmallows and 8 spaghetti. And how we made it was, here we go. We make here's a marshmallow.
I got it again. Come on, why are you
I
just...
get all the time.
Let me go and get her book inside. Shifra! Oh yeah, I passed it up. By the way, come on, Shifra, let's go to school. And you don't mess up, okay? Bye, honey. Be careful, no opening the door for strangers. Let me lock the door then.
Now I can talk. Now she's gone. So I was talking about the pyramids. So here's a marshmallow and here's a stick. Up, squish them together. And the spaghetti, spaghetti. And then that spaghetti, sometime it will break. So you need brand new ones. So if you didn't break it, you can do another one and then either make a square and also make the marshmallows to fit together. Then after you've done that, take that spaghetti and then push it like a cube and then do it to the other edges and then add one of them to the one marshmallow to the spaghetti on top and then push that in the middle and then join it together. And I got a version of that because I made it. 1 minute. Let me tiptoe down with quiet. Guys, I came back. I thought, who's that? Oh, Oh, they have the key. Okay, so it's my mommy. And here I said that to you. Here it is. So the marshmallows are corners like that. So this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. If it means 5 corners, it means 5 marshmallows. And the spaghetti.
Oh shit.
These are edges
Mommy's tired.
or sides.
Oh yeah, we have
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spaghettis and each size. Yeah. So this is your pyramid done. We did some doing on ancient Egypt. So we made this pyramid. After we done this, we did some art. So that art, like when they did the sunset, it was very beautiful. So the ground was like a bright color, and the top was this color, red color. Then after we painted that, and also the middle. So after we done that, we blend it in, and then we drew our pyramids. Some people did some pyramids and some plum trees and clouds. I mean camels, and also some did like palm pyramids like that, or pyramids and camels, or pyramids and palm trees. So I just did pyramids, so that will be easy. And do you know why I get this for the puppet? I got this from the Dojo Prize. In school, we do Dojo points. If it was on your school, comment down below. So here, look, it looks like this. That color, and we can pop them. Okay, so how I got this? I got the Dojo Prize, and we go 12, 20 times like that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, like that way. So the Dojo Prize, the Dojo points, I was on number 80. But now I got 81 because of the another Dojo point. And I picked out something, and it was this puppet. It just broke, but I can fix that with glue. Do not worry. If it was just now here, I would be a little bit mad. So that's our end. Please subscribe and like for more videos. Bye.